Breaking news. Everyone, your bank accounts could be getting a massive boost with $1,800 stimulus checks hitting today, April 22nd, 2025. If you're on Social Security, SSI, SSDI, or you're a veteran, this is the update you've been waiting for. If you're on Social Security, SSI, SSDI, or you're a veteran, this is the update you've been waiting for. This is huge, life-changing money, and you need to know exactly what's happening right now. Don't miss a single detail, hit that subscribe button, and turn on notifications so you never miss critical updates like this one. Let's dive in because time is ticking, and this cash could already be on its way to you. So what's the big deal with these $1,800 stimulus checks? This is a game-changing financial relief program, straight from the US government, designed to put serious cash in the hands of millions of Americans struggling with skyrocketing costs. We're talking about a one-time tax-free payment of $1,800 hitting bank accounts starting today, April 22nd, 2025. Who's getting this money? If you're receiving Social Security retirement benefits, SSI, SSDI, or VA benefits, you're likely in line for this payout. This isn't just pocket change, it's a lifeline for seniors, disabled individuals, veterans, and low-income households feeling the pinch of inflation. And here's the kicker. This program is part of a broader push to support vulnerable Americans, so it's critical you understand how it affects your wallet. Are you ready to see $1,800 land in your account? Stick with me, because I'm breaking it all down. Now let's get to the nitty-gritty. Who qualifies for this $1,800 stimulus check? The good news is, eligibility is pretty straightforward, but you need to pay attention. First off, if you're receiving Social Security retirement benefits, as of March 2025, you're automatically eligible. Same goes for SSDI recipients, those of you with disabilities who rely on Social Security disability insurance. SSI beneficiaries, who often have little to no income, are also on the list. Veterans, listen up. If you're getting VA disability compensation or a VA pension, you're in too. But what about income limits? Here's where it gets specific. Your adjusted gross income from your 2023 or 2024 tax return needs to be below $75,000 for individuals or $150,000 for married couples filing jointly. If you're over that, the payment phases out. Married couples, here's a bonus. Each eligible spouse can get their own $1,800, meaning you could see $3,600 hit your account. Got dependents? If they're under 17 and you claim them on your taxes, you might get an extra $500 per child. But here's what many people don't know. If you're a non-filer, say, a senior who doesn't usually file taxes, you still qualify, but you'll need to take action. More on that later. Confused yet? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's talk timeline, because you're probably wondering when this $1,800 is showing up. The Social Security Administration and the IRS are rolling these payments out fast, starting today, April 22nd, 2025. But not everyone gets paid at once. It's staggered based on your Social Security number or how you receive your benefits. If you're on direct deposit for your Social Security, SSI, SSDI, or VA benefits, you're in luck. Those payments are hitting accounts first, as early as today. Check your bank by the end of the day, because $1,800 could already be there. Paper checks and debit cards are going out a bit later, starting April 28, 2025, and continuing through mid-May. Here's the schedule. If your SSN ends in 00-33, your payment is processed by April 25th. SSN endings 34-66 go out by May 2nd, and 67-99 by May 9th. Veterans receiving VA benefits follow a similar schedule, but some could see payments as late as May 15th if there's a delay. One thing to watch, if April 30th falls on a holiday or weekend, expect a slight shift. Payments might go out a day or two earlier. Want to know the exact day your money's coming? Head to the IRS's Get My Payment portal. I'll tell you how in a sec. This is moving fast, so don't sleep on this. Okay, here's where you need to take action to make sure you get your $1,800. First, if you're already getting Social Security, SSI, SSDI, or VA benefits through direct deposit, you're golden. No application needed. The money will land in the same account as your regular benefits. But if you're a non-filer, maybe you're a senior or low-income individual who doesn't file taxes, you must submit a simplified 2024 tax return by May 15, 2025, to claim this payment. Head to irs.gov and use the non-filers tool. It's quick and ensures you don't miss out. Veterans, double-check your VA benefit status on the vi.gov portal to confirm you're enrolled. Now a huge warning, scammers are already out there, sending fake texts and emails about stimulus check approvals. Never share your social security number or bank details with anyone claiming to help you get this payment. Stick to official sites like irs.gov or ssa.gov. One more thing, if you've moved recently, update your address with the Social Security Administration by calling 1-800-772-1213. Miss this, and your check could get lost. Act now, because these deadlines are non-negotiable. Let's cover some extra details you need to know. Will this $1,800 stimulus check mess with your other benefits? Good news, it's tax-free and won't count as income for Social Security, SSI, SSDI, or VA benefits. Your regular payments stay untouched. But what about taxes? Since it's a one-time payment, it won't push you into a higher tax bracket next year. Now here's something that hasn't been widely reported. Some experts are saying this $1,800 could be the first of more relief payments in 2025, especially if inflation keeps climbing. The Congressional Budget Office estimates this program will inject $45 billion into the economy, helping millions of seniors and disabled folks afford groceries, rent, and medical bills. But there's a catch: if you owe back taxes or child support, the IRS might garnish part of your payment. Check your status on the IRS portal to avoid surprises. And for couples with dependents, make sure your 2024 tax return lists everyone correctly to snag that extra $500 per child. This is critical information, so don't skip these steps. Alright, let's wrap this up with the key points you can't forget. Today, April 22nd, 2025, $1,800 stimulus checks are hitting bank accounts for Social Security, SSI, SSDI, and VA beneficiaries. If you qualify, individuals under $75,000 income, couples under $150,000, you're getting this tax-free cash. Direct deposits are out now, paper checks start April 28th, and you've got until May 15th, 2025, to file as a non-filer. Don't fall for scams, and check irs.gov or ssa.gov for updates. This is UR-Gent, so act fast to secure your money. If you found this helpful, smash that subscribe button, hit the bell, and drop a comment below. Tell me, are you expecting your $1,800? Any questions? I'm reading every comment, and will keep you posted with the latest updates. Stay tuned, because I'll be back with more breaking news to keep your finances on track. See you in the next video.